this is lesson 7-6, and it's all about circles. So make sure you title this in your notebook, 7.6 circles. Now, the first thing that you need to write down is radius. A radius is a segment that connects the center of a circle to the outside of a circle. So if I were to draw a radius, it would be, I would have to start here in the center, and I would draw a straight line out to any point on my circle. So sketch a circle, and then we're going to label this radius. Okay, now next one is diameter. So you already have your radius in, okay? Now you need to write down diameter. A diameter is a segment that passes through the center of a circle and has both endpoints on the outside. So you can start anywhere you want around this circle. I could start here, 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 doesn't matter. But you have to go through the center, and then you have to end on the outside. So this is the diameter. So add that to your circle that you've already written in your notes. Okay, central angle. So now I have my radius, I have my diameter. Central angle, and if you've noticed, I've kind of tried to do these in color-coded. So a central angle, write this in your notes, is an angle with its vertex at the center of a circle. Now, an angle looks like this, with this point being the vertex. So if you don't know what vertex is, you might want to write that in your notes. Now, a central angle says it's an angle with its vertex at the center of the circle. So what it means is you have to be here, and you can draw your angle anywhere you want around your circle, but the middle of the angle has to be through the center. Okay, now a chord. A chord is, so write this in your notes, is a segment that has both endpoints on the circle and does not go through the center. So here's the key thing. It does not go through the center. So it's any of these points, okay, that I go from one to the other, and it's a straight line. Okay, it's a segment, so a segment means straight line, and both endpoints are on the circle, but it doesn't go through it. So label that on your circle, and you can label that chord right on there. And so your circle should look similar to this, except I think it would be smart if you have the names on. So if you have radius and diameter, central angle, and chord. So just make sure you have all of those labeled, and you will be able to use this if you use your notes and your foldables. Okay, so what is an arc? Now, an arc is a part of a circle, and it goes around the outside edge. So if I said from X to Y, this would be an arc. So add that to your circle. It goes around the outside edge, and I think everybody can kind of get that because whenever you hear the word arc, you kind of think of a arch maybe. So it's very similar. And a semicircle, let's add this to our notes. A semicircle is half of a circle. So if I have a diameter, okay, and it goes from X through O, a semicircle is going to go from one end of the diameter to the other end of the diameter. So this is a semicircle. sorry, this pen is semicircle. So label those two. And that's it for now. That's everything you need to know about circles.